The purpose of this presentation is to describe a plan to address and deliver an approach to technology designed to improve learning achievement and outcomes for students from middle school through college in North Carolina. This will follow a continuum for students beginning in the 7th grade. It is designed to track and continue to monitor their progress through the 2nd year of college. Let's take a look at how the plan overview is set up. A variety of instruments were selected to gather data from the different stakeholder perspectives. By including the key factors, such as assessments, evaluations, and feedback, we captured attitudes and opinions from key stakeholders. This gives us an idea about whether a project is reaching its intended goals for success at each level, whether individually, locally, or regionally. The evaluations monitor project achievements incrementally. From the beginning and throughout the life of the project, there will be surveys, interviews, and observations done by a neutral evaluator as much as possible. So they are also available to teachers, students, and the community at large as needed. The research will be done in phases. There are 4: pre-implementation, activities, implementation, and evaluation. At the pre-implementation phase, a survey regarding budgets, political climate, and teacher preparedness become pivotal in directing the course of action to be taken at each local school. However, with the onset of the project, a consistent model of reporting is used. Teachers are expected to report student outcomes into a central database template. The results are then analyzed to identify trends and patterns. This is beneficial for 2 reasons. First, the project data can be retained for community stakeholders. Secondly, the individual student progress and achievements may be held for the purpose of tracking them from middle school through college. In this research design, students are surveyed as well to evaluate their ideas, opinions about the program, their perceived success, and potential suggestions for program improvements. This provides a formative option for feedback. An iterative process of development allows for continuous improvement and refinement while keeping the core principles and goals in focus. This mixed method approach combines quantitative variables such as before and after achievement scores for students, teacher preparedness ratings, along with qualitative categories such as infrastructure assessments. These are used to help predict, administer, and refine the program at local sites. The activities phase actuates the training needed for teachers to successfully implement the program within their classrooms. The chosen software and budgets are allocated, and teacher attitude surveys, interviews, and observations are gathered using industry-recognized instruments. You can see the links at the end of the presentation for more information. Respondents have some generic data that should be submitted, as well as specific reporting. It's during this phase that technical facilitators are most likely given direction to install and manage initial online implementations. The implementation phase captures outputs of those factors that contribute to program success and overall value. With the use of agreed-upon software solutions for the school, the time and budget allocations get students acclimated to the online tools and devices and equipment navigation. With this most critical phase, we capture the descriptions of student attitudes, hardware, their perceptions and observations about themselves, as well as the technology. In applying the data, the monitoring is done and performed throughout the cycles to obtain ongoing feedback. We benchmark scores and statistics, and they are taken to assess progress in ongoing evaluations and database collection. We use update strategies during the 4th phase of the cycle. This will be used to compare incremental progress, which is expected to culminate in successful college attainment for students through their 2nd year of college. A special thank you to the contributions made to this effort from the individuals and entities included. And thank you for listening. And